Imagine you've just invested in a brand new Ooma phone system. You're eager to start enjoying the benefits of crystal clear calls, advanced features, and potentially significant savings. But there's one crucial piece of the puzzle missing: your activation code. Have you ever found yourself staring at your Ooma device, wondering, where the heck is my activation code? You're not alone. Many Ooma users have faced this frustrating situation. Today, we're going to dive deep into the most common reasons why you might be missing your activation code and provide practical solutions to help you get back on track. Before we get into the troubleshooting, let's quickly recap what an activation code is and why it's so important. Your activation code is a unique sequence of numbers and letters that links your Ooma device to your specific account. It's essentially the key that unlocks the full potential of your system. Common reasons for missing activation code. Check your email. The most likely explanation is that your activation code was sent to your email address. Go through your inbox, spam folder, and promotions tab to see if you can find the email. If you're still having trouble, try searching for keywords like Ooma activation code or Ooma welcome email. Verify your order details. Double-check your Ooma order confirmation email. It should contain your activation code. If you can't find the email, try contacting Ooma customer support with your order number. Ooma account dashboard. Log in to your Ooma account dashboard. In some cases, your activation code might be available there. Look for a section labeled Activation or My Devices. Ooma device label. As a last resort, check the label on the back of your Ooma device. Sometimes the activation code is printed directly on the device. Troubleshooting tips. If you've exhausted all of these options and still can't locate your activation code, here are a few additional troubleshooting tips. Contact Ooma customer support. Ooma's customer support team is available to assist you. They can help you verify your order details, resend your activation code, or troubleshoot any other issues you may be facing. Check for temporary network issues. If you're having trouble accessing your Ooma account or receiving emails, it's possible that there are temporary network issues in your area. Try checking your internet connection or waiting a few hours before trying again. Verify your Ooma device compatibility. Ensure that your Ooma device is compatible with your internet service provider and that it's properly connected to your router. Finding your Ooma activation code can be a frustrating experience, but by following these steps and troubleshooting tips, you should be able to resolve the issue and start enjoying your new Ooma system. If you're still having trouble, don't hesitate to reach out to Ooma customer support for assistance. They're there to help you get back up and running as quickly as possible. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.